What were you doing with that funnel, Violet? You banging it? Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
Whoops. What you doing?
No, the book
Violet. Oh, careful for your head. Hi, beautiful. Oh. Surprised she's not biting her fingers. Does that hurt sometimes? Violet is 6 months old, aren't you? Yeah.
Yeah. Bug. Do it again, Mommy.
Do it again. She has to grab it. Are you gonna get it? Can you sing with it? Evan, can you sing with it? Sing. How's it go? If you're happy, I know. I'll put that on. Hey. Oops. Okay.
Big.
Yeah, we see it. We see it.
What y'all go see? What y'all go see?
Okay, I saw it.
Like?
Yeah, I liked it one time. But now I think we should move it somewhere. Violet. Violet.
Violet.
Would you go give her a kiss?
Okay. We go.
Oh, how nice.
That's nice.
That was nice. I think she liked that.
Hey.
Oh, thank you, Evan.
What me?
Okay.
BBC.
Yeah.
One BBC.
She can see. She can see. Show her like this.
No.
No. Okay.
Baby goosey. What baby goosey?